A gentleman's style doesn't retire at 50. In fact, for the man who truly understands himself, this is when it begins to sharpen, to deepen, to evolve. You've spent decades building your character, your reputation, your wisdom. Now it's time. Your style reflects it. So pause for a second and ask yourself, are your clothes telling the world you're still in the game? Or are they whispering that you've given up? Because here's the truth. Stylish men over 50 don't try to look young. They look powerful. They don't chase trends. They command attention. They walk into a room and make younger men question everything they thought they knew about aging. This video is your roadmap. We're going deep into the 5 things sharp, confident, elegant men over 50 never wear, and what they wear instead to lead with presence, pride, and quiet authority. And I'll tell you right now, number 3 is the silent killer of style. And number 1 is what separates a man who fades from a man who leaves a legacy. So whether you're 50, 60, or pushing 70, don't miss this, because your best years, they're not behind you. They're standing right in front of you, waiting for you to show up like a man who knows who he is. Let's get into it. Point 1. Fun, trendy, graphic tees, the instant style killer for mature men. Look, we get it. You want to stay youthful, have some fun, and maybe even make a statement. But a graphic tee with a Marvel logo or some ironic joke on the front doesn't make you look young. It makes you look like you're trying to look young, and that's even worse. Stylish men over 50 understand one thing. Maturity has its own appeal. You've lived. You've earned your stripes, and your clothes should reflect that. A plain, well-fitted t-shirt in white, navy, or black says more than any logo ever could. What to wear instead? Invest in quality basics. A structured white crew neck t-shirt, a slim-fit Henley, a polo in a muted tone. These pieces add strength and elegance, not teenage confusion. Point 2. Baggy, worn-out jeans. You're not in college anymore, and that's a good thing. You know the type, stonewashed, saggy, faded to the point of no return. Maybe they're comfortable. Maybe they've been with you for decades. But they're not doing you any favors. Baggy jeans erase your shape and make you look sloppy. A stylish man over 50 never sacrifices form for comfort. Because guess what? You can have both. What to wear instead? Dark wash jeans with a tailored straight leg or slim fit, not tight. Just trim enough to show that you still care about your appearance. Pair them with loafers, boots, or minimalist sneakers for a sharp, yet approachable look. Point 3. Running shoes with every outfit. Function does not equal fashion. This is one of the biggest style sins, and it's everywhere. You've seen it. Khakis, a dress shirt, and giant white running shoes straight out of a gym locker. Practical? Maybe. Stylish? Not even close. The shoes you wear tell people how much attention you pay to details. And stylish men over 50 know the right shoes don't just finish an outfit. They define it. What to wear instead? Leather loafers, Chelsea boots, brogues, or even minimalist leather sneakers in white or navy if you're going casual. These show you care about the whole look, not just your step count. Comfort matters, but there's no excuse not to find comfort in style. A well-made shoe supports your feet and your image. Point 4. Loud, flashy accessories, because you've got nothing left to prove. Big logo belts, giant chains, trendy sunglasses with neon frames. These might be fun on TikTok, but on a grown man, it reads as desperate, like you're trying too hard to be seen. A stylish man over 50 doesn't need attention-grabbing pieces. He knows that subtlety is strength, and his accessories whisper class instead of shouting for validation. What to wear instead? A simple leather-strapped watch, matte cufflinks, a pair of tortoiseshell or black frame sunglasses that complement your face shape. These are timeless, masculine, and quietly powerful. Point 5. Clothing that's good enough. The death of effort in style. This is the sneakiest killer of all. The shirt you throw on because it's there. The pants you haven't updated in 10 years. The jacket that kind of fits. When you start settling, your style starts slipping. Stylish men over 50 don't wear clothes that are good enough. They choose pieces with purpose, with care, and most of all, with pride. What to wear instead? Try this. Go through your closet and remove anything that doesn't fit, flatter, or feel like you. Then start rebuilding with intent. A tailored blazer that sharpens your silhouette. A soft cashmere sweater that adds warmth and sophistication. A crisp Oxford shirt in white or light blue that never fails. Build a wardrobe that reflects who you are, not who you used to be. Bonus tip: style is also in the grooming. You can wear the sharpest blazer in the room, but if your hair is unkempt or your beard is scraggly, it falls flat. Style doesn't end at the collar. It includes how you groom yourself. A stylish man over 50 pays attention to the little things: regular trims and a hairstyle that fits your face and age, a neat beard or clean shave, skincare that keeps your face healthy and hydrated. And yes, a signature scent, subtle, masculine, unforgettable. These aren't luxuries. They're habits of men who respect themselves. Final words: this is your prime, not your decline. Let's clear something up. Being over 50 is not about stepping back. It's about stepping up with style, purpose, and pride. The world sees how you show up. When you carry yourself with dignity, dress with intention, and let go of trends that no longer serve you, people notice. More importantly, you notice. So ditch the loud logos, the oversized jeans, the good enough gear. Replace them with clothes that speak for you. Sharp, clean, classic, and strong. Because style over 50 isn't about turning heads. It's about holding them high. If you're ready to redefine how the world sees you, and, more importantly, how you see yourself, there's no better time to start than today. This isn't about some distant future transformation or waiting for the perfect moment. The journey to timeless, powerful style begins with a single, deliberate step. Open your closet. Take a long, honest look at what hangs there. That shirt you keep wearing out of habit, not because it reflects who you are today. Those jeans that used to fit your life, but no longer fit the man you've become. That jacket that was once stylish, but now feels like a relic from another era. Start small, but start with conviction. Choose one piece, just one, that no longer serves the man you are now, and replace it with something intentional, something worthy of the wisdom and presence you carry. Maybe it's swapping that faded graphic tee for a crisp, well-tailored polo. Perhaps it's retiring those shapeless jeans for a pair of dark wash, perfectly fitted trousers that actually honor your silhouette. Or it could be as simple as replacing those worn-out sneakers with a pair of sleek leather loafers that announce, without shouting, that you understand the power of details. Then, once you've made that first change, pause. Notice how it feels to wear something that aligns with your maturity rather than clinging to the past. Feel the quiet confidence that comes from knowing your exterior finally matches the refinement of your experience. And when you're ready, take the next step. Replace another piece, then another. This isn't about throwing everything out overnight. It's about curating a wardrobe with the same discernment you apply to the rest of your life. And as you do this, remember, style isn't vanity. It's self-respect. It's the visual language of a man who knows his worth and refuses to let the world overlook it. Every time you choose quality over convenience, timelessness over trends, or intention over inertia, you're not just upgrading your wardrobe. You're reinforcing the truth that your best years aren't behind you. They're unfolding right now, and how you present yourself to the world should reflect that reality. Subscribe, not just for more style insights, but for the reminder that aging isn't about decline. It's about elevation. You've spent decades accumulating wisdom, influence, and depth. Why should your clothing tell any other story? This isn't about clinging to youth. It's about embracing the authority, the magnetism, and the quiet power that only comes with time. Your wardrobe should be as purposeful as your life. Start today, one piece at a time. Because the world takes notice when a man decides to stop fading into the background and starts dressing like the force he truly is. This is your era. Claim it.